Most digital storefronts today feel like a chaotic race to the bottom, filled with flashing banners and aggressive pop-ups that make you want to close the tab immediately. But every once in a while, you stumble across a space that actually respects your time and your taste. That is the immediate impression when you land on Lunirave. It feels like stepping out of a crowded street and into a high-end boutique where the air is cool and everything is perfectly in its place. The layout is remarkably clean. It is modern. It is designed with an intuitive flow that makes you wonder why every other site is so complicated. You are not fighting with menus or digging through layers of clutter. Whether you are browsing through the bestsellers or looking for that one specific dress, the navigation feels like it is reading your mind. This is a destination for anyone who sees fashion as more than just utility. It is about the potential of a well-curated wardrobe. The collection hits that sweet spot between classic silhouettes and contemporary twists. It is a difficult balance to strike, but they seem to do it effortlessly. You see pieces that feel familiar yet entirely fresh. Look at the knitwear. These are items that promise genuine comfort without sacrificing an ounce of chic appeal. Then you have the statement jackets. These are the heavy hitters. They are the kinds of pieces that can anchor an entire look. You could be wearing something incredibly simple underneath, but the moment you put on one of these jackets, the whole vibe changes. You feel polished. You feel ready. This is where the idea of luxury really starts to take shape. It is not just about a price tag. It is about the way a piece of clothing makes you stand out in a room. The versatility here is a major highlight. We all lead busy lives that require our clothes to work overtime. You need pieces that can transition from a casual morning at a cafe to a sophisticated evening event without a second thought. This site understands that rhythm. It offers clothes that move with you, and the actual shopping experience is just as refined. The pricing is clear and displayed in multiple currencies, which takes the guesswork out of the process. The checkout is smooth and user-friendly. It is built for people who want quality without the headache. There is a sense of vision here. You can feel that a lot of thought went into how these items are presented. It creates a feeling of community, and even a little bit of anticipation. You are not just scrolling through a catalog. You are participating in a curated fashion moment. It is about rediscovering your personal style and feeling a new sense of confidence. You get to experiment with fresh looks that feel authentic to who you are. The variety is vast enough to be exciting, but it never feels overwhelming. It is a vibrant hub for anyone who loves style. You leave the site feeling inspired. You can actually see how these pieces will fit into your daily life. It is rare to find a place that makes online shopping feel this effortless and fun. Whether you are looking for a complete wardrobe overhaul or just that one special piece to elevate your current rotation, the experience here feels rewarding. It is a place where style meets actual substance. You can tell they understand the modern shopper who wants elegance without the ego. It is fresh, it is inspiring, and it is exactly what the digital fashion world needs right now.